A big welcome to the Threads of Unity Belt and Road fashion show. Now the aim is to foster intercultural dialogue between China and the Belt and Road regions, and of course to showcase the richness of Chinese culture and heritage.
Your presence has greatly enriched the spirits of unity and cooperation for this activity represents.
Silk is an essential part of Chinese material culture, intimately related to the daily lives of all social classes. And we hope that through this sharing, which we draw pieces from the Crystal collection at the Hong Kong Palace Museum, we were able to bring the message across that silk played a very important role in the dynamic interactions between China and the world.
全世界人民共同的记忆，其中有很多的方法来自于丝绸之路。这个丝绸之路呢，它就是一个共融之路，也是文化交流的共融之路。文化在这里交融，记忆在这里交融，智慧在这里交融。
After this time, this event, all of you will have the ability to have the wonderful event in future. We, on behalf of the PolyU, really thank you, each of you. Thank you so much.